Hey guys, welcome back. It is nice and sunny outside. It looks like a great day to smoke some meat. I recently got a real good deal on some chicken thighs and some chicken legs. We're going to smoke those up today in the electric smoker, and we're going to make pulled chicken sandwiches. Pulled chicken is one of my favorite things in this life. I cannot wait to make this for you guys. It's like the best thing you've ever put in your mouth with shredded chicken and sauce. It's just gonna be so good. I'm gonna be making my chicken today with this Fox Brothers barbecue rub that my buddy brought me back. It's from a famous barbecue place in Alabama. I don't know much about it, but he said it was amazing. When we're done and we pull it, we're gonna mix it with this Ollie's barbecue sauce. My wife got it for me for Christmas. I think it's from one of those fundraiser catalogs. It's real nice and watery type barbecue sauce, so it should mix with pulled chicken real good. We're gonna shred that up, mix it with sauce, put it on some pretzel buns with some cheddar cheese. Oh, it's gonna be sandwich up in here. There you have it. It's pretty much the easiest pulled chicken you're ever going to make right there. It looks good though, doesn't it? Now it's time to take a bite. Let's go barbecue right there. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my videos. Leave me a comment on Facebook, Twitter. I'm on all of them. Andy Cooks Food is my name.